Hello there everyone, and welcome back to the Preserving Cinema channel. And today I'm going to be unboxing another Best Buy exclusive 4K Steelbook. And today it's going to be of the Marvel film Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness. So here we have the front and the spine here. Here we got the back. Have some of the special features that is in there. If it'll focus, there we go, on the Blu-ray. Okay, we'll go ahead and try to open this up. Let me go ahead and open it up. There we go. All right. Oh, we have Elizabeth Olsen on the back as Scarlet Witch. Very nice. So let me open this up and get the digital code out. And we got the 4K on the top there and the Blu-ray on the bottom. And here we have some nice artwork of Scarlet Witch and Doctor Strange statues from the film inside the case here. We have the artwork here on the discs. Very nice. There we go. And there we go. The 4K Steelbook Collector's Edition from Best Buy of Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. If you guys could give this video a like, I would appreciate it. Until next time, guys, take care.